So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 2 of chapter number 11, that is squares and square roots. Okay, so let us start it. So, let us start it with our first example. Now, here it is given that find the least number by which 6125 should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So let us first solve the first part of this question. Okay, so now we have the number 6125. We have to find the smallest number or the least number which when we multiply it by 6125 it will make a perfect square number. For that we will factorize this 6125 by prime factorization method. Okay, so here we have 6125. Now it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, so we will directly divide it by 5. Okay, so now 5, 1 2 5s are, then 5 245s are, 5 49s are, then now this 49 is not divisible by 5, so we will divide it by 7. Okay, so 7 sevens are and 7 ones are. Now these all numbers are what? Factors of 6125. Now we will write it here. So here 6125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. After this, what we have to do? We have to arrange this number in terms of a pairs. Okay, so we get here our first pair 5 into 5. We get second pair 7 into 7. Okay, but one more number is there, that is this 5. Now this one is an unpaired number. Okay, so what we have to do, if we multiply, if we give this number a pair, then this number will become a perfect square number. Okay, so whichever the extra number is there, by that number we have to multiply 6125. Okay, so what do we get in the next step? There it can be written as 6125 into 5. Okay, so our new number is 6125. This one is our old. Multiplied by, we have to multiply it by 5 to make it a perfect square. So this is our required new number. Okay. Now, after writing the new number, what we have to do? We have to again find that this new number will be square of which number. For that, we will write the factors of this 6125. Now, what are the factors? 5 is 3 times and this one also. So now total 5 will be how many times? 4 times. Okay, so we can write it as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, now again start pairing this number. Okay, so now 5 is how many times? Here pair is there, here a pair is there, and here also we have a pair. Now write these all numbers in terms of a square form, means this 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. This 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. This 7 into 7 can be written as 7 square. Now, since all the numbers are having same power, so we can multiply the base. Okay, so in next step, what do we get? Now we get it as 5 into 5 into 7. These all are base raised to 2 because they all are having same power. Now this 5 fives are 25 and 25 sevens are 175. Okay, so 175 raised to 2. Now what does it mean? That our new number is this number and its square root is sorry, it is the square of 175. Okay, so finally our answer will be hence 175 is our required number. Okay, so now let us solve one more example. Now here we have seen about multiplication. Okay, now let us see our next example. Now in this example, first part is given as find the least number by which 768 should be divided. 92s are, then again we have two 96s are, then two 48s are, two 24s are, two 12s are, two 6s are, two 3s are, and finally three 1s are. Okay, now these all are what? These all are prime factors of 768. Now let us write that prime factors. So what do we get now? This 768 can be written as 2 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have written here 2 8 times. Okay, and then 3 is only one time, so that we have written here. Now if you look at these factors, it can be seen that this one is in pair, this one is also in pair, this is also having a pair, this is also having a pair, but only this number is an unpaired number. Now the question is of division. By what number it should be divided? So if you remove these two, sorry, if you remove these three, then all the numbers are having pairs. Okay, so this 768, if we are dividing it by 3, we will get a perfect square number. Okay, so what will be our next step? Therefore 768 should be divided by 3 to get a perfect square. Okay, now let us see the next part of this question. It is given that also find the number whose square is the resulting new number. So first let us find what is the new number. Okay, so for finding new number, now our new number will be 768 divided by 3. Why divided by 3? Because here 3 is an extra number. Okay, so when we divide this 768 by 3, what do we get? We get it as 256. Okay, now we have here a number that is 256. After that, now this 256 means what? These all factors. Okay, so this 256 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and again 2 into 2. Okay, so it means that these all numbers are in pair. Okay, now what we will do in the next step, I'll write it in terms of square. Okay, so this 2 into 2 means 2 raised to 2, this means 2 raised to 2, again 2 raised to 2, and this also 2 raised to 2. Now each one of them are having same power, so we can multiply the base together. Okay, so in next step we get it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 raised to 2. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So our final answer will be 16 square. Okay, now what does it mean? That the number should be divisible, 768 should be divisible by 3. The new number is 256 and it is a square of 16. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.